Am I excited about being in person, and if so, why? I am excited about being in person. You know, I've been in my house too long.
I'm so excited that we are back again in campus. It's opening, classes are opening.
I thrive with human interaction.
When you come to campus, what you get to do is to make a friend, and sometimes a really good friend, and there's really nothing more valuable than that.
I'm excited to welcome students back and just tap into their energy that they bring and their excitement.
I mean, when I think of re-energizing, I think of like bringing everything back to normal.
Our students, our community members, our staff and faculty are diverse, they're multifaceted, and they come with their own lived experiences. And what excites me is learning those stories, learning folks' histories, learning what they bring to their work, why they're here to study, what do they want to learn about, what do they want to do in the future. That truly re-energizes me and makes me excited to be here on campus again.
I'm a people person, so I think things are just a lot more intuitive when you're in person. You know, somebody could like smile at you or nudge you, and then you're like, oh, okay, fine, I'll say something. I'll ask that question.
I just started to take classes, English classes, since 6 months ago. So for me it's so important because I can feel at home. Para mí es bastante importante tener esa presencia, esa esencia de clases en persona, porque puedo pasar más tiempo con mis compañeros, puedo mejorar mi inglés y entender muchísimo más.
We've changed so much about how we teach during the pandemic, and I appreciate a lot of that flexibility that students now have.
Being able to work around my child's needs and schedule, as well as my own personal needs, with the flexibility of having classes online or in person has been super helpful for me as a single parent.
It's amazing feeling to be in person with others because we are social animals. We need somebody to share our joy, our happiness, sorrows. Everybody's struggle may be different, but we can always find a common denominator.
PCC students are incredibly courageous in their willingness to be vulnerable in the classroom, and that's what makes the on-campus classroom so special.
I think we've made great strides on our online services and online courses through COVID, but now is the chance to think about the students who those services and courses didn't work for. Students that need that connection with their peers in some of our centers and spaces, students that struggled with online coursework. So it's a chance for us to come back, to be there for our students, and to show them that PCC supports them in all ways that they want to experience our college.
In the fall, I'm going to be a student advocate at our Queer Resource Center, which is very exciting for me because the Queer Resource Center back at my school was a very important meeting grounds. It was where a lot of us got together and met each other and created bonds and created community. And I'm very excited to be able to facilitate that here in this new environment.
Being in the VRC, the Veterans Resource Center, is really nice because it's like going home. Like, you just feel comfortable being around the guys you know how to, you know, they get your lingo.
PCC is a family. I don't say it's my second home. Being in campus, being back in your home, it's really like once you come back, then you can enjoy, then you can feel the energy actually.
Hello. I'm Dr. Adrian Bennings, president of Portland Community College, or you can just call me Dr. B. And the college is re-energizing itself for the upcoming academic year. I joined PCC last month with a vision of one together, together one. Together means in agreement or harmony. One means a unified entity of two or more components. No matter our individual roles at the college, we are connected as one for a greater purpose, for our students and for each other. Re-energizing means to bring energy to something again after a period without it. I mean, how many of you have felt exhausted, drained, and overwhelmed throughout COVID? I think all of us, including myself, can relate to these feelings. We need a sense of place and community to thrive, to support one another and our students in their journey. This is the why that connects us at PCC. I am excited about the progress we have made in achieving a greater on-site presence for the fall term, while also maintaining flexible workplace modalities. This contributes to a workplace culture of belonging and well-being. I sense the energy in all of you as I visit different campuses and centers. I know the last couple of years have not been easy, but now, connected as one, we get to re-energize our college community. PCC, we've got this.
One together.
One together.
One together.
One together.
Together one.
Together one.
Together one.
Together one.